Important notes: the latest version of Lightburn may not be compatible. Please use Lightburn version January 7th, 03. If you do not have this version, please contact customer support to obtain it. Please follow the steps shown in the video strictly. Make sure all units are set to millimeters. Before using the focus feature, please change start from absolute coordinates to current position. Turn on the power switch. Open the lid. Place a wooden board on the laser bed. Close the lid. Visit the WeCreat software download page. Click the download button. Download the Lightburn configuration file for the Vision 20W/40W laser. Open the Lightburn software. Import the configuration file. Click OK. Switch the COM port to connect the machine. When OK is displayed, the connection is successful. Click Camera Control. Click Edit and then Device Settings. Enter the working size. Vision 40W working area, 420 by 270 millimeters. Vision 20W working area, 420 by 290 millimeters. Set Z control and click OK. Select the WeCreat camera. Right-click on the workspace and select Calibrate Camera Lens. Select Pre-Calibrate Camera and click Next. Click Align Camera. Select WeCreat Camera and click Next. Click Fit Workspace. Enter the material thickness and set the processing parameters. Turn on Air Assist. Click Start to begin processing. Click Next. Click Capture Image, then click Next. Pan and zoom to locate the 4 corner markers. Double-click the center of each marker as accurately as possible. Click Next, then Finish. Click Update Overlay. Turn off Fade. Now you can see the board on the canvas. Open the lid. Remove the first board and place a new board inside. Close the lid. Import a design file. Adjust the size and position of the design if necessary. Set the processing parameters. Right-click the layer and set the Z offset to 100 millimeters. Click OK. Click Start to begin processing. Congratulations! You have completed a wonderful project.